have here the A90 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds. The opinions in this review are mine after testing. The product was provided by the brand. Pairing was super quick to my phone. There is an LED display here showing the battery, which was very nice. The sound during testing, the voices sounded perfect. They came through clean. I tested with podcasts and calls. The inner ear fit was very comfy. There are multiple silicone tips provided along with the charging cable. The case display made it easy to know what I was working with when I left the house in terms of battery. Why this pair stood out to me for everyday use, these cover a big 3. Super fast connection, clear call mic, and the battery lasted, okay? Water resistant. I give these a 2 thumbs up, and I highly recommend them.